Welcome back everybody to Funky Star TV. This video will be a very short video, and but first of all, before we go into this video, I want to thank my viewers, thank those who don't subscribe, also those who never subscribe. I say make una take time, subscribe to Funky Star TV. One love, everybody. The family, when they eat grass in Nigeria, most especially in Biafran land and in Zimbabwe, because of all these politicians, then they claim say they get help. You know, the reason why people they eat grass in Nigeria there now because of those people when supported Buhari and those people when supported this particular regime now because you got some people when spoke TINUBU into power. Okay, those people are the reason why when we see all these families in Nigeria then they eat grass. Okay, and shame to all these people. Them plenty, and we go call some names right here. When we see Nigerian people are supposed to hold them accountable, and I don't know the face where they take the waka for street. Number one person na Femi Fanekayode. Now on make Nigerian people they eat grass. Number two, now that one they call when that one come from, I think Ukraine that guy came from. Where they call Daddy Freeze. I don't know the kind face when that one they take waka for street. That man supported Bola TINUBU Sote. The man almost fainted when he take the yam in public. They take defend Bola TINUBU. They condemn Peter Obi and they condemn other people. And the Festus Keyamo, the APC people in general, Bola TINUBU himself, Buhari himself, Atiku himself, all these people make Nigerian people they suffer till today. I say shame unto all of them. Big shame supposed to the catch you. I don't know the face when they take waka for street after supporting this particular presidency when they in Nigeria. I say now make Nigerian people they eat grass. Even the people from the Imo states. I mean Anambra State, Abia State. Then they suffer insecurity because of this gangsters, what they call them, politicians in Nigeria. When Bola TINUBU, they lead them right now. An old man, when off he yarn, an old man, when off he speak, an old man, when off he move body, when off he shake body. Now him, these people spoke into power. When we say a can't turn to Nigerian president, it can't turn to a monster in the room. When everybody now want making resign, but Nigeria they in a very difficult position because of the division, and that division make this man resign. No go make this man resign. So these men, when we don't call their names, them plenty. I say, and all the whole APCs in general, now them make Nigerian people they eat grass. People they suffer in that country. No electricity, water not day, hospital not day, nothing day. Every day, when they come they deceive us with the Bola TINUBU. Bola TINUBU get this. Bola TINUBU now make this. Bola TINUBU now be the only person who don't prepare well. Imagine Femi Fanekayode they went on tell Nigerian people years back say Bola TINUBU don't be prepared long time. Say now back doors when they go take enter into Asorok. The same Femi Fanekayode can still help him from the back doors. The man can't really enter as president of Nigeria. So you go wonder whether which kind of face these people they take waka for road after they done destroy their president. Now they come embrace him. Although we know say everything, ladies and gentlemen, na money matter. If money not dey into politics, if they not they rob Nigerian people, if they not they loot our treasury dry, if there no way to siphon money go abroad, if there is no way at all, nobody will say I won't become president. Nobody, because they know say all these are loopholes. These loopholes they know how to use it to embezzle our resources, embezzle our funds. Now he make them. They won't kill themselves because they won't become president. Do or die, now him be the politics in Nigeria because too much money they involve. Because loopholes they to loot out money, to siphon and rob Nigerian people. And those loopholes, now the things when somebody like Mr. Omo Elishuore been they beg Nigerian people, say made them support them, vote for them, say it go help, tighten that loopholes. When we say nobody go feel rob or siphon or loot again our treasury. But Nigerian people say no, say no be Showore stone be that. Say nah, Bola Ahmed Tinubu stone. Say Bola Ahmed Tinubu when done they make us they make Nigerian people they eat grass since 100 years. Destroy Lagos State economy. Everything when belongs to Lagos State. Bola Tinubu use his own signatory to collect everything, put for him pocket. Because see, now you get all those things in Nigeria. Half of Lagos belongs to Bola Ahmed Tinubu. You go ask yourself, how come Bola Ahmed Tinubu? Waiting in do, waiting be in job before him become governor of Lagos State. So, ladies and gentlemen, this group of men, now them make Nigerian people, they suffer. And if you hear this name, you don't need to vote them into power. But I was surprised, very, very surprised, when a whole court of the land declare a man like Bola Ahmed Tinubu as president of the nation. Tinubu is not supposed to be the president of Nigeria. The fact that Tinubu ruled 8 years with Buhari and no changes at all in Nigeria. And at the end of the day, they still put Bola Ahmed Tinubu. When Femi Fani-Kayode, they don't tell Nigerian people, all of us say this man they come through the back door to become Nigerian president. And at the end, the court still put pronounce say the man went if elections, say now be your president. You go begin to wonder the credibility of the court itself. That is why sometimes when some news come, you have to think twice, watch the news, listen to the news. Some like the ones when they tell us say some judges when decide this 2023 election, say they fly enter France, go collect $5 million each to support Bola Ahmed Tinubu, to make Bola Ahmed Tinubu president of Nigeria. You go see say the thing might be 99% true. Because no man in his right sense, when don't do proper investigation on a person like Bola Ahmed Tinubu, will come out and say Bola Ahmed Tinubu win an election, or he's a credible man, or he's the right person to rule the nation. No. But you usually say the judges, these 5 judges, they concluded that Bola Ahmed Tinubu win election. Election when the whole Nigerian people oppose. So now this kind of people, now then they make some Nigerian people, they eat grass. Not only that, insecurity matter when they put for Igbo just for nothing. Because they wanted to use it to punish Nnamdi Kanu and IPOB. But now, the thing don't get out of hand. So they don't kidnap the House of Representative people, they kidnap the senators. In fact, they find governor, made them kidnap the governor of the states. Now, it don't become the unknown gunmen. When we know, say them be known gunmen already, and when these people don't know them, but then they call them unknown gunmen versus the House of Rep, versus the governors, and versus the senators. Nowhere is free in Nigeria. The North, not the free. The South, not the free. The West, not the free. And the East is not free because of the same people. That is why I say many Nigerian people, they eat grasses. And upon that, we still sit down, they watch these people. We're not supposed to sit down to look, we're supposed to pull action. People supposed to come out and be speaking out in millions. Nobody speak out. Oh, no, carry on now, God. Which God? God don't give you that power. God don't give you that strength. God don't do his own. It is left for you to rescue yourself. Make you leave God out of the matter. Because the God of Abraham, the God of Isaac, and the God of Jacob, he have already created you and give you everything to live your life. So it is your responsibility to fight out these monsters when they call the APC, PDP, and all whatnot in that country. When they claim, say, that them be politicians, that then go bring this, that then go bring that. Whereas now then they spoil things. Now then they spoil show for your children, for your family, for your health, everything. Now then they spoil now. So, ladies and gentlemen, the thing we talk in this particular video be say, all those people, somebody like Daddy Freeze, when come defend Bola Ahmed Tinubu, we never even know the position when they give that one. We never know position when they give somebody like Femi Fani-Kayode. Remember how Femi Fani-Kayode fought for this particular person, what they call Bola Ahmed Tinubu and APC. The man put all his life on the line for Bola Ahmed Tinubu to succeed, and Bola Ahmed Tinubu really succeed, thief the mandates. So that, but then you say somebody like Femi Fani-Kayode is a lawyer. You wonder which kind of lawyer be this. They don't know why they call himself Festus Keyam. You go wonder. The CJN himself, when they come to support this man, you go wonder. Say, man, what kind of lawyer be all these ones? These are radical lawyers. These are criminals. These are criminals. When they come, they claim, say, them be lawyers. If you investigate them very, very well, you see, say, even the claim when Bola Ahmed Tinubu, they claim, say, him na Chicago man. Now, the same thing when you go see, say, all these people, when they claim, say, them be lawyers, them be. If you go into thorough investigations on these people, these particular people, they're among them, only that the free claim, say, in a lawyer. So, a lot of things they happen. Some people don't go online, come they blast Wale Soyinka, say himself, say his certificate they questionable. They want to know about his credibility when they claim say in a professor. Just as the other one what they call Professor Yakub Bola Ahmed Tinubu, the president of Nigeria. These people, they need to question these people because I'm not sure. See, that man, not professor. Because a professor cannot be acting like an illiterate. The man acted like an illiterate when be Professor Yakubu, when he not professor. This Wale Soyinka also, they act like illiterate for supporting Bola Ahmed Tinubu alone. Because he knows, see, Bola Ahmed Tinubu don't win that election. So people don't come online, they blast Professor Wale Soyinka. They question Wale Soyinka integrity and his credibility as a professor. Now him, the same man when be Wale Soyinka can't dare the person. So ladies and gentlemen, these people, this group of men, when they mention their name right here, will not send you a message who you will be in this platform. We don't want to know who you will be. If you do bad thing against the people, against the public, against the masses, we will come here and condemn it. If you do good thing, we will come here and say it as well. That is the way when Funky D, they operate in this particular platform. So Wale Soyinka, they don't dare Wale Soyinka, the question say, this man you should see a professor. This man you should see a professor. Because now Wale Soyinka carry himself come out from in the markets. So that people go, see when him be. Now be Funky D carry and come out. Now Wale Soyinka now he bring himself come out. Daddy Freeze, now you bring yourself come out. The other one they call Femi Fani-Kayode, now you still bring yourself, you have been bringing yourself come out. Many a times, people knows that. So, if you do bad thing to the people of Nigeria, you are among the people when meet Nigerian people, majority of Nigerian people, they eat grasses. No one made them survive. You want oppress us, intimidate us, beat us, kill our family members, rob us hands down, loot our treasury, everything I do to Nigerian people will not make any sense. So make gonna stop to the loot us, make gonna stop to the intimidate us, make gonna stop to the oppress us, make gonna stop to the carry our money, they go overseas. Remember, Festus Keyam, last year, news come out, when claims say, when they question Festus Keyam, when he see money, when they buy house in America. That case, nobody hear him again. It just disappeared. One hand. TINUBU drug matter disappeared. All this thing disappeared. But Nnamdi Kanu, when one saving people from these monsters, when we don't mention their names, they lock up Nnamdi Kanu. They will not do anything. Showore, we see what they do Showore. Because Showore want good governance in Nigeria. Because in the tell Nigerian people say, see what in this government they do when not make sense. And they tell the government, say, make them stop what they do. Let's see, now kill. Or it remains small, therefore waste Showore's life. And they are still going after him. Today, we see what they do Showore in the courts. Inside the court. Because in they speak truth to the power. But the people, when they do bad things, like all these people don't call their names right here, nothing they do them. They never go prison one day. Nobody don't torture them. Nobody don't beat them in the court. Nobody don't fight them in the court. Nobody don't say even any bad thing against them. Either in the court or outside. But the good ones, the few good ones when Nigerian people get, they're not going to let them rest. Now, it's also intimidation and oppression. Even physical beating. Look at. If not Showore, if not be say Showore a strong person, something for happen to Showore that particular time when they beat him in the court. But the man is a very strong person. Everybody knows that. And those are the kind of people we need to be in governance. Not be people when not get leg, when not get hand, when not get mouth to talk. Before them talk, 100 people go dey there, one side of their ear, they whisper to them what to say. And upon that whispering, ladies and gentlemen, they are unable to even speak out. Their mouth go to shake like pap. All of us don't see how Bola TINUBU mouth they shake like pap. In hand, everything. So, ladies and gentlemen, now here we go stop. These people, make una leave Nigerian people alone. Make people when go sabi put in place things for the masses. Put in place things for the masses. People when go sabi give us peace and harmony. People when go bring everybody on board, bring everybody together. Whether you be Hausa, you be Yoruba, you come from the north, from the west, from the south, from anywhere where you come from. We need people when go bring everybody together. We need people when go stop this insecurity of Boko Haram and the intimidation when the militaries, when they intimidate the southeastern part of Nigeria. Not only the southeastern part of Nigeria, many parts of Nigeria are being burnt down by the same people when we think see now them they secure the nation when be the military people. We need these people when we can put stop to all these things what they do to Nigerian people. We need peace, we need love, we want to love each other, we want to coexist. Everybody want to coexist, ladies and gentlemen. We don't need fights, we don't need Boko Haram, we don't need herdsmen, we don't need army. When they go, they burn down individual houses. We don't need ministers. When they go, they claim people's properties. They go, they claim people's land. We don't need that. We don't need ministers when they allow people to do their job. So we need reasonable men and women in power. That is what we need. And these are the reasons why now they cannot see all these things. That is why he said, no, I want to take Biafra from Nigeria. Not be today. This thing start, ladies and gentlemen. So one love, everybody. If you never subscribe to Funky D Star TV, please make sure say you subscribe to Funky D Star TV worldwide. Bye, everybody, and one love. One love to everybody that loves God. Bye.